Alright, wonderful viewers, welcome to another session in Creative Brand Studio. Today we want to design a beautiful certificate here. So you have an image, you have a badge, and then a company name and the writings on the certificate. So let's start. Alright, so I've opened my work already, but this one is in a portrait and our work is in a landscape. So we need to rotate it into the landscape. How do you do that? You come to the image, come to image rotation, and then just use 90 degrees clockwise. So the whole thing is will rotate for us so that we can do our work. Alright, so we want to import our image file. Please embed it right here for us to use. Okay, so let me stretch it a little bit. Good. Let's see, let me rotate it. I want this side to come. Alright, so that's what we have for the image. Now I want to edit. I want the background to blend with this one. Okay, you can decide to take off this one, or you can also use the layers, the levels, to make some few adjustments to it. Okay, let me rather increase the brightness. Alright, so in increasing the brightness, you realize that it gives the image really pops out, and then it blends with the background. Very good. So we start importing the logo. So let me bring the logo here. Alright, so our logo is added to it. Okay. Now I want to merge these two layers, the brightness layer and this one. So let me click on it, then left my fingers on the control key, right click, and then you merge it. Alright, so it behaves as one. Alright, so let me work on this particular logo with my magic wand. Make sure it is selected, you click on it. Okay, just so double click on it and it opens in its own window. So this one is very easy. You select with the magic wand, you click on that area, it selects it, and then you press delete on the keyboard, and it is what the background is what removed. Put it here. It's a placeholder often used in the. So I create a text box and then paste my dummy text inside. Sorry. Okay, so copy. And then paste it. Okay. Alright, so I'll reduce the size of the font. Alright, so I want to now do the formatting. So certificate, I'm using the font Montserrat. Alright, so nice. So but I want to introduce you the learning here. Okay, so let me adjust it small. Good. Yeah, so it gives a nice feel. So I want to draw a line here, just as we have there. So the pixels is what, 5 pixels. Okay, I want the color to be black. So I have the date. Okay. Let me make it 20. That's okay. Replicate the date. All I have to do is what, the layer, copy the layer, Control J to copy the layer. Why am I doing this? So that I maintain the same font and the font size. Okay, so this one is the signature.